Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add pauses to your voice generation in Elevenlabs. It is super useful if you want natural pacing or a dramatic effect in your audio. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on elevenlabs.io and then log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of text to speech. Over here you can either add a speaker or you can simply provide the text over here. So first of all, in order to add pauses in your text, you need to just simply use commas for short pauses. You can use period for medium pauses and ellipses for longer dramatic pauses. For example, you can simply try this script like welcome to the future where AI sounds just like us. So as you can see, I have used integer brackets plus I have also used ellipses over here for the longer and the dramatic pauses. The pause after future will feel longer and more impactful. So you can type your script like this. The second thing that you need to do is you can use the SSML tags for the custom post duration. So if you are using the advanced mode or the API, you can use the SSML, and for that you need to add the post with the break tag like this. So here you just have to type it like this. This is powerful. After that you need to just provide the break time is equal to and it is only in the beginning. So the 800 ms over here is means the voice will pause for 0.8 second before continuing. So you can also change it to 300 ms for 1 second or even more. You can also try combining both for best results. So if you are writing long narration or the podcast scripts, you can combine commas, ellipses, break tags for varied pacing. Here is the example that I'm gonna give you like this. So today, after that, I've added ellipses. We are driving deep into the AI voices tech, and after that I have given it the SSML tag, and then as you can see we have also added the full stops and the commas as well. So you can use the natural rhythm for a human feel and do not overdo the poses. Just place them where you would breathe or emphasize something. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.